actually, one of the top questions I get asked all the time is about brush cleaning. It's the worst job. I hate it too. I absolutely hate the whole washing and drying the brushes, but it's got to be done. But when you're not fully washing the brushes, how do you disinfect and clean them in between uses? You just rub your brush into the solution and it instantly removes makeup, disinfects the brush. But the best part about this product is it dries instantly. So the brush isn't wet. You can literally go right back in and reuse the brush. You use this. This is what the pros use. This is what we all have on our makeup jobs on set. So it comes in a little spray bottle if you want. I have the bigger size just because I use it so often. So in between clients or in between product, you just take it and you rub your brush onto the product and it completely cleans it. It dries instantly and disinfects the brush. So you can use this for any type of brush, whether it's synthetic or a real fiber brush. It is the best thing out there. It's like I said, it's one of those pro artist tips and tricks. But now that we have Amazon and everything is available for everyone, it's perfect.